Combine. The word combine is a verb that means to bring together or unite two or more things to create a single entity or to work together towards a common goal. It can also refer to the act of merging or joining different elements or components to form a whole. Here are some examples to illustrate the usage of combine. 1. Cooking. When you combine flour, sugar, eggs, and butter, you can make a delicious cake. In this example, the ingredients are brought together to create a cake. 2. Sports. The team members need to combine their skills and strategies to win the game. Here, the players are required to work together and use their individual abilities to achieve victory. 3. Science. In chemistry, when you combine hydrogen and oxygen, you get water. This example demonstrates the chemical reaction where two elements combine to form a compound. 4. Music. The band members combine their talents to produce beautiful melodies. In this case, each musician contributes their skills to create harmonious music. 5. Business. The company decided to combine its two branches to increase efficiency and reduce costs. Here, the organization merges two branches to streamline operations and save resources. Overall, combine is a versatile word that signifies the act of bringing together different elements, whether it be ingredients, skills, components, or resources, to create something unified and cohesive.